Watermelon, one of the summer's most iconic fruits, low in calories and rich in water. Watermelon is often eaten on its own, but it can also be a very versatile ingredient in many recipes. You guessed it, today we're looking at the facts about the watermelon, but before we do, if you would like to keep up to date with all the latest consumer tips, facts and nutritional benefits, please hit the like and subscribe button so that you never miss any of the new and exciting post-harvest videos we have lined up. Now, here are 5 facts about the watermelon. Number 1. Watermelon can assist in rehydration. Aptly named watermelon, the watermelon is 92% water, making it a very hydrating food choice. If you or your children struggle to drink enough water, especially on hot summer days, try a few servings of watermelon. You'll get extra micronutrients along with your hydration. Not to mention, it's simply a perfect summer treat. Number 2. Watermelon is a healthy snack alternative. In a small study of overweight adults, those who consumed watermelon versus low-fat cookies felt more full and showed a reduction in body weight, body mass index, and blood pressure. One of the reasons being is that watermelon is full of lycopene, a red carotenoid associated with reducing blood pressure. Number 3. Watermelons are both a fruit and a vegetable. Thanks to their sweet taste, watermelons are most commonly considered a fruit. Originating from flowers that have been pollinated by bees, they do grow like a fruit. However, watermelon is classified as a part of a botanical family of gourds that includes other culinary vegetables like cucumber, squash, and pumpkin. This means watermelons fall into a very small category of produce items that are considered both fruits and vegetables. If you're enjoying these facts, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons so that you can keep up to date with all the latest and greatest content coming from PostHarvest. Number 4. Japan has been growing novelty watermelons for decades. In Japan, farmers have been growing cube-shaped watermelons for the past 40 years, forcing them into their square shape by cultivating them in box-like braces. Growing square-shaped watermelons was originally an idea to help customers efficiently stack their fridges with the fruit. However, the success of the square watermelons has led to the farmers creating novelty items and gifts such as heart-shaped, pyramid-shaped, and even human head-shaped watermelons. Number 5. Watermelons are believed to be 5,000 years old. There is evidence that suggests that the first watermelon ever grown was in Egypt, approximately 5,000 years ago. In fact, in ancient Egypt, watermelons were placed in burial tombs with the bodies to nourish the soul after they had passed. And while managing to cultivate watermelons for over 5,000 years is an impressive feat, unfortunately around 45% of all fresh produce is either lost or wasted each year. If you'd like to help make a change, head on over to postharvest.com for a range of courses on how best to look after your fresh produce at home. And since you made it to the end of this video, could you please do me a massive favour and hit the like and subscribe buttons. Together, we can help reduce waste and play our part in saving the planet.